So in the last session, before going to start the formal session, I want you to please give us some feedback on this FTP, which will definitely improve our performance in the next time. So in this FTP, I shall request you to first kindly switch on your cameras so that I could see you, because in whole of the session I could not see all of you. In this session I shall request you kindly, yeah, it's really nice to see you all here.
Hello, Rimpi.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Rimpi, where are you now?
Namaskar, sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Where are you nowadays?
At Jaipur, sir.
Jaipur only.
Yes, sir.
Nice to see you here.
So today's your lecture was very
Yes,
interesting
please.
and very informative. It was very good.
Thank you. Thank you.
The participants, please switch on your cameras. It would be nice to interact with you. Yeah, really nice to see you. So in this validity function, before going to start the formal talk by our chief guest, our guest of honor, I shall request you kindly give us some feedback on this FDP, that what you listened, what you learned, because there was already 14 sessions. I should say 13 technical sessions and one session on the human values have been conducted by different resource persons from different institutions. So one of our speaker, Dr. Parveen Kumar, is still here. Sir, thank you for being with us from the first day of this FTP, and thank you for your support.
It's my pleasure because, as I said, if I'm free, not doing any academic work in the institutions, I shall be with you. So there were only students program interaction, so that is why I could extract time, not much engagement today. And actually I already said today is my talk, so I postpone all the assignments for the Monday. So I thought I should be with you today because I missed the very first day inauguration of you. The problem was that you wrote on REST account, and in my mobile only Gmail account and emails comes. So REST password is very long and it is saved in my desktop. So I don't even remember what is password. That password. It takes automatically. And now this clubbing REST account with Gmail is actually prohibited due to certain reason. Earlier I was getting these emails on REST, written on REST on my mobile. So I missed your email somehow.
Okay, sir, I'll note down your point. Maybe whenever next time I will conduct this FTP, I shall take much more care.
No, you have done well. So that is not feedback. It is feedback is different. It is just excuse from my side.
Oh, sir, you did a very nice session, as well as you was with us from first day of this FTP. I shall also, I would like to listen from other participants. If someone would like to give us feedback on this FTP, that would be very nice for us.
Participants should not be shy. They should openly talk what they have felt and where are the gaps so that it can be filled. So they should not hesitate in communicating. Please come
Sir, good
forward.
afternoon.
Yeah. Puneet ji, yeah, please.
Sir, very good afternoon. And
Very good
it is a nice privilege that I am associated with this workshop. In spite of not belonging to the physics department, being as an electrical engineer, I have joined this FDP for the enhancement of my knowledge. And really, I learned a lot. The lecture from Dr. Ravi Kumar, the initiative in the starting lecture on the topic of nanotechnology is very much informative. Topic on the supercapacitor applications by Akshay Lal Sharma. It is quite means open our eyes about the concepts of supercapacitors, their dielectric constant concepts, and other which can be taught to our electrical engineering students especially. एक बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक था सर. Later on, Dr. Ashish Kumar Panda ji, multi-caloric materials. It is also very informative to especially मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ related to the electrical engineering concepts. तो मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगा. Then Dr. O.P. Pandey, very informative. The head of SPMS, Thapar Institute, related to the magnetic materials and ferroelectric materials and insulating materials about glasses. So बहुत अच्छा था sir. Dr. Atul Khanna is also very informative, given us the quite insight of the insulating material. Because being as electrical engineer, the three most important materials are my conducting, magnetic, and the insulating. और अगर इन तीनों के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाए ऑन ए पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ एफडीपी तो शायद इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर को एक बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिल जाती है. देन डॉक्टर सुरेंद्र पाठक इंफॉर्मेशन वाज फ्रूटफुल. पूरी आंखें खोल देती है सर. साइंस के साथ ह्यूमन होना जरूरी है. विदाउट दैट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. डॉक्टर प्रभाकर सिंह जी IIT BHU एनर्जी एप्लीकेशंस एंड सॉलिड फ्यूल सेल एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, सॉलिड साइड फ्यूल सेल्स एप्लीकेशंस. मतलब बहुत मजा आया सर उस लेक्चर में भी. और आज डॉक्टर प्रवीण कुमार जी के लेक्चर में, बिकॉज इट इज आयन बेस्ड सिंथेसिस और मैं थोड़ा कम हूँ बीइंग एन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर, बट काफी चीजें पता लगी. और लिटरली डॉक्टर मित्रा जी, इट्स वंडरफुल, नो वर्ड्स. उनके लिए कोई शब्द नहीं है. अबाउट द मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल, सो मच एक्सपर्टाइज इन दिस फील्ड. सो बहुत मजा आया सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग मी अ चांस एंड बीइंग एज अ पार्टिसिपेंट ऑफ दिस FDP for these 5 days. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Puneet ji, for your nice words. These are really appreciation for us, and we will feel encouraged. I shall also listen. I would like to listen from other participants also.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Myself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar Rai from Ujjain Engineering College, Ujjain, MP. It's the city of Mahakaleshwar. So first of all, I thank to the organizer and Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University for giving me to attend this nice program. And I would like to congratulate Satnam Singh sir, you also, because one thing I noted in this program, that punctuality of the program is excellent, sir. Every lecture is started well in time. And this faculty development program covers wide range of subject and area, including material science, smart materials, nanomaterials, and not only science, but also in the human values. It is a need of the hour. And I really appreciate this effort by you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rakesh ji. Thanks for your nice words. Anyone else? Your feedback will definitely improve us. We shall try to improve if we made some mistakes. Definitely, we might have made some mistakes while conducting this FTP. So, we are inviting your feedback, please.
Good afternoon, Dr. Satnam Singh ji.
Yeah, Dr. Hussain.
Myself, Abu MP Hussain. Yeah, I am from Guwahati, Assam. So, sitting in the eastern part of India. This is a really nice experience. This is very good FTP actually. Well prepared, well thought, and all the lectures. Yes, I have not missed a single minute of any lecture, and I can say that this is a really nice experience, knowing wide range of things in material science, and myself also I'm working in material science, so I have learned so many things, and I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to participate in this workshop. FDB program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sen, Dr. Sen. Thank you very much. Any other participant? Otherwise, you can write to me. I have my, I think you all have my email ID as well as mobile number with you. My WhatsApp number is with you. You can give us suggestion through mail or through WhatsApp, through message, as you feel comfortable. I've already shared few videos of the, I think 8 or 9 sessions with you in the WhatsApp group. Rest the remaining, I will send very soon after the processing. I've already given you the contact details of our resource persons, so that if you, in future, if you want to interact with them, you can go with the email IDs. So it's the last session, the valedictory function. So I shall request our head of the department, Professor Jaspir Singh Hundal, to address the audience on this valedictory function. So Dr. Hundal.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Dr. Praveen and other participants in the function. From the core of heart, I would like to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor and our India Council for Technical Education for providing us this facility to hold this function. And Dr. Satnam Singh has been working for last around more than 1 month on this, so as to organize this program. So I'm really thankful to even resource persons who were from far off places, like we had the people from Central University of Punjab, we had the people from IITs, we had the people from Thapar. So when we have experts from different areas, different specializations, definitely the faculty members who are attending this program, they are going to benefit a lot. As we feel that faculty members should always keep on attending these kind of activities, because that way their knowledge is always updated. As like we were at the time of inauguration function also, I said that this is a prerequisite for any updation of syllabus, right? If you want to incorporate a few topics in the regular syllabi of, say, PG or UG courses, then people need to be trained about that, right? So that's a very important thing. So, but of course, as Dr. Satnam Singh also said that maybe there were some shortcomings. So you can always give us some kind of feedback, because feedback only strengthens or improves the working of any department or any university what to talk about. Okay, so this, though we started much earlier as part of Ghazi Engineering College only in 1989, but as independent department we started in 2012 only. Okay, and now we have become university. It is only last 5 years that we are working as university. So, so university in infancy, I would like to say, right? So we are trying our best to have the best people here. We have all the people who are doctorate holders, and they have post doctoral research experiences abroad, and people are working pretty hard on the students to give the best possible results. Once again, I would like to thank all the participants, which were around 200 in number from far off places like Assam. We had people from Tamil Nadu, we had from Karnataka, and very, very far off places. So I think it brought us together on one platform. So it was like a family coming together and having very healthy discussions. So I'm very sure that all the participants, all the faculty members who attend, not only the faculty members, but PhD students as well, they must have benefited from this activity. And I strongly feel that such kind of activity should be held in the academic institutions. So to make the people interact with each other. So technology has made it comparatively very easy for us to come together and interact and talk to each other. So that's the benefit of technology. We should take advantage of that. So once again, I thank all my faculty colleagues, Dr. Satnam Singh, resource persons, then participants, and of course, I should be failing in my duty if I don't thank All India Council for Technical Education and University Administration, our very own Vice Chancellor and the Registrar of the University for allowing us to conduct this program and getting this funding. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody for participating and keep giving us the feedback. That's very important. And if you have, you tell us all the negative things happening, that would be better to improve. And whatever positive you found, you kindly convey to others. So that's the best way of, publicizing a thing. So do tell us whatever positive and negative things we have. That is negativity that we are really, welcoming you to do that, right? So thank you very much. Thank you once again for sparing your valuable time. I'm thankful to resource person from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your nice words. Now, I would like to invite our chief guest of this function, Dr. Karmveer Singh. Dr. Karmveer Singh is head of the department, head of the mathematics department, as well as controller of the examination of the university. Dr. Karmveer Singh has done his PhD from Amity University and MSc and MPhil from GNDU Amritsar. He has more than 30 research papers in his credit and more than 10 industrial conferences. Dr. Karmveer Singh has already worked as Dean Academic Affairs, Gyani Jain Singh Campus College of Engineering and Technology. He has vast experience, teaching experience, administrative experience, about more than 30 years. So I take it privilege to invite Dr. Karmveer Singh for giving the formal keynote address on this valedictory function. Please welcome, sir. Now, dice is for you, with you.
Inspector Dr. Jasmeet Singh Hunda, coordinators and participants of this FDP. Very good afternoon to all of you. I'm not here to giving you another lecture because you have been delivered all types of stuff regarding the topic of this FDP already. You have already listened to very reputed resource persons from all over India, and definitely you have gained much about this topic, or in general when you interact with such type of experts, it gives us the motivation to do something also in our life. From childhood, we have realized that what we have learned in our life, it is through by listening to others. By listening from childhood, we have listened to our parents, then school teachers, then the environment of the society. What we have learned from the society, which also includes our parents, teachers, family. Now we are at that stage where we have to listen to some experts and which we usually call as source persons in various fields. And one thing is there that this online system has made things very comfortable for all of us. We have been able to conduct these FTP in a very comfortable manner. I recall that in previous times, 15-20 years back, when I used to attend these FTP programs, we have to think about where we have to stay, because FDP is such type of programs at that time are usually called short-term courses. Then we have to think about where we have to stay, traveling, whether our family can afford our absence for 5 or 6 days. But this online system has made things very simple. We can attend these types of courses, which are very crucial now these days. Even with this online system, the benefit of this thing is also there that we have saved in recent years. In the last year, we have saved one crucial year of our student by conducting online classes, by conducting online examination. So things are becoming very comfortable with this online system. There is now no hesitation, and we should utilize this online system for attending as FDPs, various expert lectures as we can. And this is now talking about importance of FDP is very unnecessary, because now there's no other way out. We cannot teach our students, we cannot fulfill their requirements in all aspects unless we update ourselves. Updating teachers is only possible through these types of programs. These types of programs can be about specific topic or in general in nature, but there is no other way out. We have to listen to the experts of the fields, because any faculty member or a teacher can be expert in some subjects. For other subjects, he have to listen to others, experts of that, in order to gain in-depth knowledge, and in order to get knowledge about the latest things that are available in that field, we have to listen to the experts. Moreover, these type conducting and participation in these types of programs create a different type of environment which motivate us to do something. So this is another advantage. In professional and science courses, especially in health sciences courses, you can see that there is no other way out. In health sciences courses, it becomes more important. I have some friends who are working in Dhyanand Medical College, Ludhiana. They are working as doctors there. They used to tell me that they have to attend these types of seminars, 1-day seminar, 1-week seminar, even abroad. Constantly, regularly they have to attend, because they have to update their treatment techniques, because they have direct dealing with the people. So in all the professional courses, science courses, we can't afford that we miss some knowledge, we miss some latest technology. Otherwise, we cannot do justice with our students only by attending FDP courses. Now AICT has encouraged all the universities to conduct these types of courses. They are giving grants for these types of courses. Even our university has conducted at least 20 courses in recent past, these types of courses in all the departments. In the end, I would like to thank Dr. Jasbir Singh Hundal again, with whom I have been associated with the last 35 years. During MSc and MPhil, we have 1 or 2 years difference. When I was in MSc, he was in MPhil. He joined this institution in 1989. I joined in 1992. You can judge this personality only by working with him, how he can benefit, how he can support others in a very genuine way. In the end, I again congratulate all the participants, organizers of this course. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Karmir sir. Thanks for your nice words. Thanks for sharing your experience with us. So at the end, I would like to invite Dr. Veena Sharma for formally giving vote of thanks to all the speakers, audience, and funding agency. So Dr. Veena, please come on the dais.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I, Dr. Veena Sharma, on the behalf of Department of Physics, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, feel privileged to extend vote of thanks of this valedictory function of the Atal FDP on novel materials and their applications. First of all, I wish to thank to our worthy chief guest for the day, Professor and Head, Department of Mathematics and Controller of Examination, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Punjab Technical University, Bathinda, Professor Dr. Karanveer Singh. We are thankful to you, sir, for accepting our invitation despite of your busy schedule. I wish to extend my vote of thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, MRSPTU Bathinda, Professor Dr. Butta Singh Sidhu, for his blessings for the successful conduct of this faculty development program. I sincerely thank Professor Dr. GPS Barar, Registrar, MRSPTU Bathinda. I wish to extend my vote of thanks to the respected AICTE officials, Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe, Chairman AICTE, Professor Rajiv Kumar, Member Secretary AICTE, Dr. Mamta Rani Agarwal, Advisor Atal Academy, Dr. Amit Datta, Deputy Director Atal Academy, Dr. Girdhari Lal Garg, Assistant Director at Atal Academy, for giving us the opportunity to hold this faculty development program on novel materials and their applications at Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University, Bathinda. Without their generous support, this FTP was not possible in this pandemic situation. I pay my regard to our chief guest of the inaugural function, Professor Dr. Ravindranath, and to our distinguished speakers from different institutions all across the country, which includes Professor Dr. Ravi Kumar, Dr. Achilal Sharma, Professor Dr. Ashish Agarwal, Dr. Ravi Bhatia, Professor Dr. Ashish Kumar Panda, Dr. K. Santhi, Professor Dr. O.P. Pandey, Professor Dr. Atul Khanna, Dr. M.V. Reddy, Dr. Surendra Pathak, Professor Dr. Prabhakar Singh, Professor Dr. Jasveer Singh Hundal, Dr. Praveen Kumar, and Dr. Amitava Mitra. I am really thankful to all our distinguished speakers who share their knowledge and experiences with our participants. This FTP was a success only because of these distinguished personalities. My next vote of thanks goes to Professor Dr. Balvinder Singh Sidhu, Coordinator, AICT Programs at MRSPTU Bathinda. I also thank Director IT Enabled Service, Bhupinder Singh, MRSPTU Bathinda, for providing the technical support. I am thankful to the Director Public Relations, MRSPTU Bathinda, Shri Harjinder Singh Sidhu, for the media coverage. Next, I extend my heartiest thanks to Professor and Head, Department of Physics, MRSPTU Bathinda, Professor Dr. Jasveer Singh Hundal, for his continuous motivation, support, untiring efforts, and for the conduction of this faculty development program. Without you, this program was not possible. Your leadership qualities have been highly motivated all of us. I extend my next thanks to Dr. Satnam Singh, who is the coordinator of this faculty development program, for his dynamic efforts. I also extend my thanks to the faculty members and staff of Department of Physics, which include Dr. Sandeep Kansal, Dr. Gagan Gupta, Dr. Pooja, and Mr. Jaswinder Singh, Mr. Rahul Menon, Mrs. Manjeet Kaur, Mr. Ravinder, and Mr. Badal for their support and involvement in various duties. I extend my heartiest thanks to the young fellows, the research scholars of the department, Mr. Amit Kumar, Mrs. Supriya, Mrs. Sumandeep Kaur, Mrs. Priya Dhuria, Mr. Arpan Sethi, and Ms. Ankita for their dynamic involvement during this 5-day long program. My next thanks goes to all our audience from different institutions. The participants were very enthusiastic, and this FDP is a success with your involvement. Once again, I thank all of you. Thank you, sir. Now I hand over the dais to Dr. Satnam, the coordinator of this FDP.
Thank you, Dr. Veena. Thank you very much, participants. Although it's the last session of this activity, but it doesn't mean we will get disconnected. We shall stay connected via WhatsApp, via mail. So in case in future regarding this FTP, if you feel any problem, any difficulty, you can contact us via these two ways. You can call me, feel free to call. I'm always available for you. So let me formally thanks to all to whom there might be many names which might have missed by the Dr. Veena Sharma. So I thanks to all, thanks to Almighty God, and support for all the persons, for all the audience who listened us very carefully. So thank you very much. And in the last, I'm just going to float a Google form in the classroom for the formal conduct of test. So thank you very much. Thanks to all.